Growing passion fruit's a double win. The fruit's delicious and the flowers are a real showstopper. Here's how. You'll need some trellis or a climbing frame, some ties, citrus food, and your passion fruit vines. If you're planting into a container, grab some scoria or pebbles for drainage and potting mix. If you're going straight into the ground, use garden mix, sheep pellets, and a bit of mulch. So these passion fruit are a vine. They grow really well whether planted straight into the ground or into a pot or container like we're going to be doing today. Most importantly though is that they've got some structure to grow up. So something like a trellis or some wire along the fence, and that structure just gives them some support as they get bigger. Let's get started with some base prep. Choose a decent sized pot because they are going to get pretty big. Really important with passion fruit is that they've got a well-drained soil. So today I'm actually going to add some scoria, just a good base layer on the bottom. It's enough in there. Next up we're going to put in some potting mix. So now we're ready to plant. We're going to get our passion fruit vine, put this in the top here to just gauge roughly the size of the hole we're going to be digging. Just give this a bit of a mark. Now, try and mimic pretty much the same depth as that pot there as well. You don't want to put it too deep. Now take it out of the pot. Good trick, give it a good squeeze as well in case it's a little bit root bound. It's feeling pretty ready. Hands over the top to stop any loose soil going everywhere. Little squeeze again. Just pop that into our hole. Make sure your stakes stay with it for now. Press that down firmly. It actually looks like we might need a little bit more potting mix around the sides. So we'll just add that now. Give that a good firm press down around the plant. If you are planting your passion fruit into the ground, it's a really good idea to mix some compost and sheep pellets through the soil as you plant, and then just a little bit of mulch as a layer on top. Right, so we're going to get this passion fruit going up this little piece of trellis here. First step, detach the old stake, very carefully snipping off any tape, being really careful here not to snip the vine. So now that's all freed up, remove these stakes that will come with it. Detangle this a little bit, get it prepared to grow up this new structure. Grab your ties, loosely attach this so that it has got a bit of room. Keep an eye on it as it grows. It will grow quite quickly, and just encourage the new growth to sort of weave throughout this trellis. And lastly, we've just got to give it a good drink. Remember, things in pots are going to dry out faster than if they're in the ground, so just keep up with this regular watering. There's a few types to choose from. Black Beauty's the Kiwi favourite, fruiting in its first year. Golden Passion, red banana or vanilla passion fruit, which need a long, warm summer to ripen. All types have a maximum lifespan of 4 to 7 years. Get planting in spring or summer. They need a warm, sheltered spot with lots of sun and good drainage. Water regularly when flowering and when fruiting so it doesn't shrivel and drop too early. Feed once a month with citrus food, but hold off in autumn, and yellow leaves might mean they need a top-up feed. Watch for slugs, snails, and these little guys, the passion vine hopper. And keep an eye out for sooty mould. They need minimal pruning, just remove dead stems. Pick straight from the vine when they're dark, but they're sweetest when puckered on the ground or in the fruit bowl. Get some passion fruit planted at your place. They're fast growing, delicious, and easy as. Make sure you subscribe to the Mitre 10 YouTube channel for more great content, or click here to watch more now.